Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back to you again with some more construction to perm. So we've been talking about some positives, just got into a little bit of some of the negative, but the solutions and expectations of those. Yesterday we were going over a little bit of timelines. Today is potential cost overruns. So potential cost overruns can incur. Um, in a construction to perm, pretty much when the loan closes, it's a one-time close. You do not want to have the extra expenses. Certain things of changing colors of paint, slight variations of maybe tile or countertop, something that's not too overwhelming is expected. And little things like that's going to make a difference. But if you're typically going FHA, if you're typically going definitely usually VA has a thing with it, and especially USDA, they don't want anything out of pocket until a home is completely built, said, and then you can do whatever you want from there. So, how to overcome that as a negative? Your builder should have a very good idea of a constituent budget. So, everything should not be in addition to. If your builder understands what's going on and knows how to budget themselves for certain things, or um, understands that they're adjusting costs because they think things are going to increase because it's the wintertime, depending on where it's coming from. Those situations are going to be kind of what it is. Now, the best way to overcome all of that right there is adding a contingency. Contingencies are very important. They are for cost overruns, or if something has to be completely changed and it does cost more for shipping or something like that. That's what that stuff is for. So keeping in mind that, any kind of stuff like that that goes into it, you want it taken care of. Let's just say you're not going and doing as much. You don't want to have as much out of pocket. You want to save that money so when you do get in, you can get all your furniture, get everything situated, and go on from there. So my biggest thing would to tell people is either have the builder increase to make sure that there's enough to account for it. And if they say, well, it depends on what it is, then ask for a contingency. Let's get that contingency in there. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you a lot of headache and the time that goes in, because they're able to quickly react on it and go to the draw person to be able to get it approved. So again, cost overruns, never good. Making sure that solution is you're planning for it. So talk to your builder, get it going. Any questions, guys? I'm here. You guys have a great one.